Welcome back, everybody. This is Eric here with IV8888, and today we're going to be making our Man-Can unboxing video for our Range Essentials box, and we're getting these out right now. We've had a little bit of a delay because of the stuff going on. Obviously, with the coronavirus, there's been a few shipping delays, but we are getting these out. And I want to begin this video by just telling people, I know that folks are going through some difficult times right now, and we really feel for everybody, and I hope that everybody is taking good care of their families and everybody's safe and happy and doing what they need to do. And I just want to say, beginning of this video, thank you guys so much for the years of support that you guys have given us through programs like Man-Cans, Patreon, t-shirts and merch and things over on Ballistic Ink. I mean, you guys have really changed our lives for the better and helped us put out great content that I hope you guys are enjoying. And I also want to mention too that yes, we would love for people to buy Man-Cans, but we want you to stay politically engaged right now. I know there's a lot of confusion going on. There's a heck of a lot of fights that are being waged against our rights right now. Things like 5717, the Senate companion of that was just introduced. We haven't even had time to make a video about that. Guys, please, for me, stay politically engaged. Fight for our rights. Fight for your fellow Americans. That's way more important than buying things right now. I just want to put that out there. I know I'm an incredibly horrible salesman when I tell people to not buy things, but, you know, do what you need to do and take care of your families. And I want you all to know that we care about our viewers very much, and we're going to continue making as much content as we possibly can for as long as we can with what we have available. And I just want to say thank you guys for being a part of that and helping us. We are going to be making some changes to Man-Cans moving forward. Okay, if you look on our website right now, if you are interested in purchasing a Man-Can, thank you very much. But if you are wanting to get one, you'll notice that we have a bass fishing can for sale right now. And you notice that it's not a mystery. Okay, you see exactly what you're getting in the box. We conducted a poll recently with our Patreon supporters. And if you took place in that poll, thank you very much. And about 95% of our Patreon supporters, when polled about Man-Cans, told us that they would really love to see what was in the box before they bought it. Now, the whole mystery thing is cool. It's fun, right? It's always neat to get a mystery. The way Man-Cans has typically worked is we select a theme, and you pre-order the box, and then the items in the box embrace that theme, but you don't know what you're going to get. It's meant to be a surprise. And the issue and the overlying thing that we've seen from our supporters, from our customers that purchase the Man-Cans, is that, hey, this can was really, really good and it rocked, but this can we didn't like so much, or that can we didn't like so much. And we don't want people thinking, oh, well, I'm going to roll the dice with this one. That's not fair. No one wants to do that, especially right now. Okay, so what we're going to do with Man-Cans moving forward is going to be a little bit different than what you're probably used to seeing. Okay, and this may not be something we stick with for the long term, but as of right now, when you see a Man-Can for sale, what you see is what you get. So you see the items that are in the Man-Can, you know what you're paying, and generally the cans are going to ship almost immediately. Okay, now we teamed up with Hooligan Bass Fishing, and they are some really cool guys, and they've got some great bass fishing lures, and we actually put together a box using just their products. All kinds of useful stuff that you're going to be seeing. So I don't have that to unbox right here, but that's the box that you're going to be getting. Okay, you're getting a t-shirt, hat, a bunch of lures. So if you're a bass fisherman, that's the box that is for sale right now, and those will be shipping literally within like a week of when you place the order. So those are going out pretty quickly. It's not a pre-order. It's generally like an in-stock item other than them having to put the box together. Okay, so what we're going to do with Man-Cans moving forward, they will have a theme, right? We will select a box, but what we're going to do is we're putting together like a think tank, okay? Chad, John, myself, a few of my buddies, we're going to get together and we're going to put together a couple of cool boxes that we really love with lots of cool products in them that we think are amazing. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to price the box according to what it needs to be priced at based on what's in the box. It's literally at that point more like a product, okay? And when you go on to the website, and if I say, hey, you know, go purchase a man can to support the channel. Bam, you go over onto our website. You see which man cans we have. One might be an EDC box with some cool stuff in it. Maybe you need that type of box. We might do a ladies box for some of our female viewers out there that want some cool stuff with some bath bombs and other cool things, whatever we might do, right? Soap or cosmetics, or, you know, some cool ear pro or a cool hat or whatever we decide to put in it, right? So we may have like a female version. We might have, you know, a version that we run a certain theme, and then we might run that theme for like 60 or 90 days. And that gives everybody a chance to go, oh, cool, I like this box, I think I'll get it. You don't have to feel pressured to get it within a 30-day period like we do when we change the theme every single month. And you know exactly what you're getting because we're going to show the picture of the items and it is what it is and you get what you get, and then you can make that decision. So we want our customers to be better informed and know what they're getting and be happy with what they're getting. And we're removing more of the mystery element. We may have one item in the box that is still a mystery just so there's still that little bit of suspense there, but maybe like 90% of the items in the box, you'll know what it is. And we might have one little fun mystery item we put in there just to surprise you guys. So I just want you to know that's how we're going to be running things. It allows us to source our supplies further out. And then what we'll do is we'll let those particular boxes stay up for sale for 60 or 90 days or whatever. And then if they don't sell very well and you guys obviously don't, you know, are losing interest in that box, then we'll switch up the box according to how well it's being supported. Okay, so if you guys are liking it and we're selling them, we'll keep that box going for a while. And then we'll change it out to something different every so often. I don't know how often. It's really going to depend on, you know, what kind of support we get and what you guys, you know, the feedback that you guys give me on the idea. So I know this video has been a little long, but I wanted to explain there will be some changes to man cans. So we hope that it's going to serve you guys better. We want you guys to be happy and get awesome products. And believe me, my family, Chad's family, John, all of us here at IV8888 HQ, we graciously appreciate all the years of support that our viewers have given us and allowed us to continue the fight that we have taken upon ourselves to do for the 2A community and to put out great content. And thank you guys for being a part of that. All right, so we're going to unbox. This is the last mystery box, the last mystery man can box that's ever going to go out right here, okay? This is the Range Essentials box, okay? Now, man cans typically are sold in a 3-tier system. Now, whether or not we're going to keep the 3-tier system going for the new box, I'm not sure yet. We probably will have a few different price points, but bear in mind, these price points are probably going to change up or down in either direction depending on the items in the box. So each box will be priced individually moving forward, and basically we know what we have to pay for the items. We work in a bit of a margin. You guys get great items. We make a little money. We run our channel. Everything goes on, right? So the entire point of man cans as a business model is for us to get funds in to run our channel. All right, the videos are the product, right? The huge part of the product we're putting out. All right, this man can is set up in a regular, a man up, and a mega man up. The regular is like a $30 box. Man up is like a $60 box. And then you have a $100 box with the mega man up. And then as you buy the higher tiers, you get the lower tiers included in the upper tiers. Pretty simple process. All right, we're going to go through here. Okay, we worked with our friends at Otis. And we've got some lead remover hand wipes. Very, very important item, okay? Lots of folks are shooting. You're exposing yourself to lead residue. These wipes are amazing for making sure that you get that lead residue off your hands. So everybody that ordered a man can for the Range Essentials box, you've got some lead wipes. Very important stuff, and Otis is a great company. Let's see, we've got a bore reflector. Okay, that's going in every box. Let's see, and this is a bit of a new thing for me as well. Okay, because I'm unboxing this along with you. I haven't even seen these items yet. All right, lens tissues from Otis. All right, everybody gets a pack of those. Keep your scopes clean, things like that. All right, VisiShot Federal Champion 3-inch target pack. These are kind of pricey. And then the 8-inch target pack. So you're sighting in your rifles, getting your stuff handled, set up. This puts you into a pretty good entry-level setup there. That's a $30 can. You get all of this and the man-up items if you bought the man-up. We did a bungee sling from Voodoo, 1-point bungee sling. So I know a lot of people like running the little PDWs or little 22s or something. So this is a handy sling to have. Okay. We did a Marksman's data book from Voodoo as well. Okay. And this is to keep up with all your data. You know, maybe you've got a shooting log. Okay. You're writing down your dope. You're writing down changes that you made to your optics. Maybe you want to keep a maintenance data book. Not only, you know, shooting data, but maybe you want to say, hey, this is the last time I cleaned this gun on this day, right? A maintenance log, okay? Data, notes, whatever you need to write down. This is a handy little notepad to have. All right, so that's your man-up can. Our mega man-up can, we did a range bag, okay? Really handy range bag here from Gunmate. Let's see what this looks like here. All right. Got a strap for the range bag. Nice little compartments right here. Definitely a useful little bag here. Some side pockets. Reasonably good quality construction there. Okay. Little range bag. Everybody can always use a range bag. And we've got a Durasteel double spinner target from Federal Champion also. These are really fun for 22s. I know with a lot of ammunition shortages and things that are going on right now, people are still able to get into a good bit of 22 ammo. So this is a great way to plink and have some fun and still be able to shoot your 22s. And these things can take thousands of hits before you shoot them apart. These are great. I love Durasteel targets. These are very high quality and really, really fun to shoot. So there's your little 22 target there for those of you that want to get out and do your 22 plinking. So a pretty all-encompassing box. Everything from keeping your hands clean, targets, things like that. Very useful things, okay? Stuff that folks will probably be going and buying anyway. We really want man cans moving forward. We want that transparency to be there 110%. We want people to be happy. So we're going to put together some amazing boxes, and we're really going to take a heck of a lot of thought and time into them, and we're going to put them out there, and we're going to see what you guys think. And we want you to, let us know what you think about these new boxes we're going to be coming out with. Go get the fishing box, the bass fishing box. It is amazing. The products are very high quality, really, really good fishing lures. I know a lot of people are thinking about shooting and stuff right now when it comes to getting out springtime, but bass fishing is nigh upon us. And, with all the quarantining and stuff that people are doing, definitely a good opportunity to get out and do some bass fishing, take the family out, do some fishing. Always a good idea. So get your bass fishing box and be looking out after that box sells out. We are going to be introducing a couple of other tiers, and I think you guys are going to be really excited to see what we have in store for man cans. We want to make sure you guys are happy. And again, thank you guys so much who have supported us over the years. Man cans is not going away. We're just making some changes. Hopefully changes that we feel are going to be better for you as a consumer. You're going to get products that you want, that you like, that you're happy with. No more mystery. We want people to make informed purchase decisions and make sure they're happy. And if you're not happy, or if we're not putting out a good enough box, then we need to make a better box, all right? That's on us to make sure that we're earning your business and that we're, making sure you guys are happy. You guys have selflessly supported our channel for years through Patreon, through man cans, t-shirts, and all of that. So thank you guys so much. We want to make you guys 110% happy. Your fellow viewers owe it to you who have supported us through all of this and allowed us to do what we do. Running a gun channel is not cheap. It's actually quite expensive, and it does take capital, and you guys have supported us. And thank you so much for supporting your fellow viewers, supporting us, and allowing us to put out more and more content and to keep the gravy train rolling in terms of the gun content. It takes a lot of time, and I appreciate you seeing value in what we do and value in our channel. And we have many more videos on the way. We are working diligently and very hard. Right now we are in a little bit of self-quarantine. just trying to kind of limit overall contact with people. But Chad and I, as time allows, we are still cutting videos as much as we can. Chad is at home with kids. You know, obviously schools are closed, so it does introduce some additional variables that are a little bit difficult to overcome. But we have plenty of content on the way, many more videos coming. Thank you so much for being a part of what we do and also supporting your fellow viewers by supporting us. And thank you so much. Many more on the way. We'll see you next time.